Hello YouTube. Today was a very good day for Insane Tuna. I cannot skip a good deal, so I scored myself some good stuff for a good price. One of the local hardware stores is going to close, so they sell everything for half the price. So I bought all their, how is it called, pop ribbits, I'm not sure. Here in the Netherlands it's called klinknagels or blind klinknagels, blind nails, something like that. This is a nice tool for creating holes in the wood so that I can connect panels together. I'm not sure, I can't remember it in English. Some drills, some tweezers, another tool for sharpening drills, stainless steel screws, regular screws, all with Torx. You can't have enough screws, and some hinges for a future project, and a fan. And that was a very good score. These I want to use for my grow beds, because right now I have this wire mesh that goes all around, but I still have to do the front and the top. So I want to use these. These are the exact right height. So now I can start finishing. Whoop, I keep tripping over things. Now I can start finishing this project as well. Of course I have to remove the laurel tree that is growing in my grow bed, but that's okay. I will grow something else. So that's it. I scored a nice deal, and that I think that this is a lifetime supply for me, and also the screws. I can do a lot of projects with that for the future, but for half the money, yeah, I cannot skip it, because screws are quite expensive, especially the stainless steel screws. They are very expensive. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.